This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make apple pie at home. First, let's master the crust. Combine 2 1/4 cups of all-purpose flour with 1 teaspoon of salt and 1 cup of cold, unsalted butter, cut into small pieces. Work quickly to avoid melting the butter. Gradually add 6 to 8 tablespoons of ice water until the dough just comes together. Divide, flatten into discs, and chill for at least 30 minutes. Now for the star of the show, the apple filling. You'll need 6 to 8 medium baking apples, such as Granny Smith or Honeycrisp, peeled, cored, and sliced about 1/4 inch thick. In a large bowl, toss the apple slices with 1/2 cup of granulated sugar, 1/4 cup of all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon of ground cinnamon, and a pinch of nutmeg. This mixture creates a perfectly spiced, thick filling. With your filling ready, it's time to assemble. Roll out 1 chilled dough disc to a 12-inch circle and carefully place it into a 9-inch pie plate. Pour in the apple filling, mounding it slightly in the center, and dot with 2 tablespoons of butter. Roll out the second dough disc for the top crust, place it over the apples, and crimp the edges to seal. Don't forget to cut a few vents for steam. Bake your pie at 425 degrees Fahrenheit for the first 15 minutes, then reduce the oven temperature to 375 degrees Fahrenheit and continue baking for another 35 to 45 minutes, or until the crust is golden brown and the filling is bubbling. Let it cool completely before slicing for the best texture. And hey, while you're enjoying your delicious pie, remember to check the description for a link to some amazing socks and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.